Hello everyone, welcome back to CLIFFTIPS. Today we've got a crucial topic on the table: how to avoid plagiarism using AI content detectors. Plagiarism is a serious issue, and we're here to show you a powerful tool that can help you steer clear of it. What is plagiarism? First things first, what exactly is plagiarism? It's the act of using someone else's work without proper acknowledgement. This could be anything from copying and pasting text to paraphrasing without giving credit. What is the importance of avoiding plagiarism? Plagiarism not only damages your academic or professional reputation, but also hinders your own learning and creativity. It's crucial to produce original work, and that's where our AI friend comes into play. Oh, what's this AI content detector we're talking about? It's a tool that scans your work and compares it to a vast database to identify any similarities with existing content. Today we're using Doppler Checker, a fantastic online resource that's free and easy to use. Let's walk through the steps together. Open your browser and go to www.duplexchecker.com. Click on Upload or simply paste your article. Check the box of reCAPTCHA and click Check Plagiarism. The AI will take a few moments to analyze your content. Once done, review the results. It'll highlight any potential instances of plagiarism. Make necessary edits on the highlighted sentence. And repeat the process until no plagiarism detected. If no plagiarism found, you can simply download it via PDF format or Word document format. Conclusion. There you have it, a complete guide on preventing plagiarism through the use of an AI content detector. Remember, producing original content not only keeps you in the clear, but also fosters a culture of creativity and integrity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay original.